Hello everyone, this is a video on how to make an app for dementia. So I've, not really made that much. So just in case you want to catch up, what you do is you drag a label from here and put it here and change its color to blue and change its text to math. And set its width to field patron. If you want to know how to change it, you click on it and then you can press it. And this is a horizontal arrangement, and there's another horizontal arrangement, and there's 3 buttons inside, just in case you don't know how to put it in. So let's say I take it out like that. You have to squeeze it in like this. Alright, so now to the code. Okay, so you make a variable from here, grab it. I set the Q, but you can set it to anything you want. Alright, so this may work and may not work. So right now what we are doing is that so we're gonna do this. So first we need to make the variable, and then we go to button. When the button one is clicked, we need to make it invisible, because while you're calculating, you look at you still have this. I can just change it. It's not fair. Yeah, right. So anyway, we're not done with the design yet. So before we go back to the code, let's finish the design first, shall we? Add a label. Set its width as field patron, and set the font size to, I guess, about 27, around 27. Yeah, 27. Right. And set its text to blank. And set its height to automatic. Set it to 30 pixels, alright. 30 pixels. Let's see where it fits first. It does. Okay, so now that design is done. And we have to do the most difficult part of all, actually. Alright, horizontal arrangement, and then first we do it here, right? 1, 2. Oh, come. Yeah, that's just a mistake. This is 2. Control C, Control V, V. So wait until button 13, and then you're done. Let's check. Yeah, it's 13. And don't forget, click on a blank space and set it to scrollable. Take it, then you can scroll down. Otherwise, you can't scroll down. It's horrible. Alright, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh yeah, okay, now we don't need this. Okay. But actually, we do actually. So let me change this to 0. Then we can start adding. Ding, ding, ding. Make sure that this thing doesn't happen. oh come on, and 7, oh come on, and 7, 8, and 9. You say this is happening, so if you're doing that, try and put it here. Pick another horizontal arrangement. Wait, no, sorry. 2 more horizontal arrangements. 1 here, 1 here. Alright, so I'm trying to do with Philippine. Okay. I know the ones are. Okay, so click this horizontal arrangement and set its width as fill patron. And then yeah, it's automatic, so yeah. Okay, so first, and then we put 8 and 9. And then we set this horizontal alignment to center. And then down at the bottom.
Yeah, come up.
Okay, so now this is properly, yeah, done now probably. And now let's grab another horizontal arrangement and put it here. Sort of a space here. So then we might need two more horizontal arrangements. Make this height a bit smaller. Let me see how many pixels it should be. I think about it should just occupy 20% of the screen. Yeah, that's good. And then automatic is good actually. Okay, so and then so actually that's the question. So what we are doing is we have to select it and then the numbers basically. But for now we are just doing basically the design. We haven't gotten to any of the blocks yet. Okay, so the code, you see what it is. So automatic is fine actually. It's fine. Yeah, wait, actually you don't need this, probably. So, and then get another button. You know what? Nah, I think we need it. Okay, so anyway, first, you put a label here. No, don't put it front, so put this front board. 30 to 20. Set the front board. Yeah, that's good. And get a button. Get the button here. And then here probably it. So if you think it's a little bit strange, then let's put this here and make it a bit smaller, 10%. I know the height should be 10%. Okay. So and then don't put it as this. Never leave it like that. Initialize, go back to 0. When button one is click. Set go Q. one. Overcute 1, and then set this horizontal arrangement to horizontal arrangement 2 as not visible. Set horizontal arrangement to visible. Alright, visible. 2 balls. So then we need to Control C, Control V 2 times. I think I've caught a corn or something. You never know. Okay, so we've got this, but now I've got to change it to button 2 and button 3. So actually, I think we should also add in a text box just in case, you know, the person can't really type well, like a really dementia person. Wait, but I bet that you have no idea that I made you do a mistake. Now I'll give you a few seconds to think of where the mistake is. It's in the design. Where is it? Oh wait, no. Now I found out that there's 2 mistakes actually. Alright, so the first one is this. You're supposed to set it as blank. No, we didn't. That's the first mistake. And the second is the most surprising and the biggest. We can't use this to type. I know, right? I mean, it's like, what? You can't use that to type? That doesn't make no sense. So that's why we have the text box here. Okay, so back to the blocks. It's a bit hard actually, but we should be fine. Okay, rest screen one. Okay, so anyway, it was a bit difficult. So I know. Wait, so add another button here, and then change its text. Set text to start. Question. Alright, start question. So and then we go to blocks, and then we say when notice button 14 is clicked on this. But in case we do this, we need to set visibility as false first, and then we do this. Set visible to true, because we need to not make them able to use it first. And this time, go to log it by instead of false, grab true. So when button 14 is clicked, then and then and then let's take this, and then we get the random generator. Oh yeah, oh dear. Yeah, I think I made a mistake, a pretty silly mistake actually. I wanted to set it differently. Yeah, because otherwise it's horrible. Random generator from 1 to global P. See? Then button click. Set. Label. Which label is it? I think I've been putting so much labels that I'm getting confused. Well, actually, only 2 actually, but you know what I mean. Text to randomly generated to get book P. Q, wait, Q, sorry. And then label. Label tree. Oh yeah, and when button 14. Do we actually need a button 14? Wait, no, yeah, we don't. When button 14. Oh, don't tell me that. Wait a second. We need to go to designer and check something. What's the button 15? It's button 15, guys. Sorry, it's button 15. Alright, so then the text box one. And then let's go to control. Oh yeah, and then we need to add another button. Come and change this text to check. Go to blocks and then if math equals separator equals no, sorry. I think we need to change it. Oh yeah, I think we've made just a lot of mistakes. One of them is just get a note, just get a random name. Oh my god, it's taking so long to backspace this. You know what? Let's make it easier. Backspace. And then CVV. That's fun actually. Wait, let's see what's the problem here. These blocks can be in a different definition. Can be. Don't listen to the instructions. Listen to me. Alright. So anyway, let's write this to no. Delete. Set the variable. Bit messy. Okay, and then should be to get a drawing operator from the text. Draw zip to V CV class. Oof, press this sign and then put another string inside. Text equal W3 then Z name to text to no, it's not label 2, it's label 3. Text to go text and and negative 2p. If this not equals this, then wrong. Alright. That's probably it. But then you need to do this. Wait, no. Wait, is this button 14? Check. Wait, the check is button 16. God. Yeah, messed up. Do I have another function in mind? Because we can't go home, I was just kidding. Of course not home, we want to be home. So to reset. And then, firstly this is done. When button 14 is clicked, well, there's a Q to and then this time we're going to do the opposite. Is there anything wrong? Oh, yes, there is. We still have to set label 2. Wait, it was label 1 again? Let's go check. Let's see. Let's label. Oh, label 1 is the math course. Right. So as you know, okay, so now just some background information. The MIT app inventor is MIT App Inventor, right? App Inventor EU. Alright, so okay. And then there's something, but this one, it has to be on your phone, alright? It's called the MIT-AI2 App Companion. MIT-AI2 Companion, alright? It's this. See? Remember that, alright? If you want, you can pause this video and type it on your phone. So I don't know how you test it is. You go to connect and do AIA Companion. If you want, you can scan this code right now. Pause the video, scan it right now. I've tested this before. It really, really works. No kidding. And now thank you for looking. And if it doesn't work, then well, tell me. So I'm not sure if there's anything that I missed, but if there is, I'll tell you in the next one. The next video, I mean, not the next mistake, of course. But still continuing, in case you thought I was over, it's actually not. I've changed the code up. So firstly, I think we have to delete this. So care or not, just delete it. Just delete it. To make a few changes. Yep, of course. If you test it out, it's wrong. Right? You know that, right? Yeah, so let's make some changes. There was a bug. Just now we set this like this. It should be like this. And we find out that okay, so another thing is change it to a random generator and a random generator. So actually, yeah, like that. Alright, so that's just a bit of a change here. And then it's working perfectly actually. No. Alright. And this is, please pause the video and try that again. Okay, so now that's the end. Bye bye, and tell me if there's anything else wrong. And this may not be the end. If there's more bugs, then I'll have to continue it quickly, like start another video like that. Yeah, so anyway, bye, or maybe not bye, but bye.